actually going to finally take the C8 Corvette out and see how capable it is in the snow. Don, how are you feeling about this? How capable is the C8?
It's going to exceed my expectations.
It's going to exceed your expectations? Yeah. I don't feel the same way, but we'll see how it does. You guys want to see my custom install here? I'll walk you around it real quick and then we'll try and squeeze this out the door here.
It's not the car, it's how you drive the car. Ooh. You always say that.
Well played, yeah. Did you watch the new Top Gun? It's not the airplane, it's the pilot. So I had a lot of concerns about how I installed this light bar on my target top, and I don't know why, it's my car. But all I did was I fed the wire through here, suction cupped it to the roof with some seat suckers, and then inside the car, we just have a nice custom install. All the wires are hidden. You can't really see anything that's going on, so probably no point showing you inside there. I built this ski box bracket. This was actually originally designed for a Huracan and seems to ironically work well on here. So yeah, we're gonna go check it out. I've got these wheels on here for those wondering. I can't wait to see the comments on this, but yes, there are 3 wheel spacers stacked up on top of each other. And yeah, what do you think, Don? You ready?
Ready.
Now, it's a little easier in a 17-foot car, not a 22-foot truck.
Yeah, I was warming up the tires.
Oh yeah, warming up the tires. I call it a tread alignment. No, Jamie, there's a bunch of police cars here. Your buddies?
Yeah.
So I just wanted to come get a coffee and see if I can maybe get a ticket while I'm here.
Sure. Why not?
So I like your shirt.
Thanks.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna grab a coffee and see what happens. No ticket today.
Not yet.
I even asked for them to write me a ticket. They won't write me a ticket.
I think they're on break.
Yeah, they're on break. Yeah. Give me your reaction on the wide body winter edition C8 Corvette.
Well, it takes a special kind of person to do something like that, I would say.
Yeah.
No, that's
special.
Cool.
My mom said it's special.
Your own kind of special, right?
Yeah,
your own kind of special.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, that's awesome.
What do you think the other staff think of it?
I think everybody thinks it's cool. It's cool. I think if you're not going to have a big lifted truck, the best thing, absolute best thing, is a C8, like with winter tires. I've always said, freaking put winter tires on the thing.
Yeah, I've said repeatedly, they built these cars for winter. I told Don this morning, heated steering wheel, heated seats, great heater in it.
And you've got now weight on the back. Plus you got the mid-engine.
Yeah.
There's weight all the way around.
And I got tons of wheel spacers to make it work.
Absolutely.
So I mean, crazy not to.
I think the next thing you should do though is do like tracks or like you know, like skis.
No, I'm gonna twin turbo it next.
Twin turbo. No, but I'm just saying for when it's like there's like 3 feet of snow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well,
then you can, like, you know, ski through.
Don had an idea this morning. Don, what was your idea?
Oh yeah, traction boards.
Yeah, traction boards.
Make it look like it's ready to get stuck.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
Mm.
Oh, frick! You should. I've never seen it with the light on. The last video I saw, you didn't have your light bar turned on.
Oh yeah, we were driving on the highway on the way here with the light bar on.
That'd be pretty bright.
Yeah, it was pretty cool.
Winter version, only in Saskatchewan.
You think Americans move snow like that?
Not so much.
I'd say something pretty dang unique.
Pretty cool.
I love it.
You love it?
that someone's crazy enough to drive this in winter, because that's exactly what I would want.
The Canadian winter yet,
Absolutely.
right? So,
Wheels look sick.
yeah, hey, what do you think of the wheel spacers behind the wheels? Can you see that?
These gigantic
Whatever works, right?
You didn't make it through this last week with this thing, did you?
No, we actually went to leave the shop the other day to do the first video. There was like 5 feet of snow back, and Nathan talked me out of it, so that was short-lived. But
Okay, so you can be convinced about a couple of things, right?
yeah. So, well, once we started talking cost of a rear bumper, I kind of decided not to do it. But yeah.
You got the red mirrors even matching.
Oh yeah, and the C8R, even though it's not an R, but I actually want to change the R to a T because it's gonna be turbo. C8T. You like that?
There you go.
Yeah. So
There you go.
anyway, yeah.
Light bar and everything. Look at
Right?
you.
Yeah. Like what else would you do? And so yeah, it's the winter edition C8 Corvette.
This is amazing.
Amazing. Where's
Love it.
your Audi TT?
She's down in Ontario right now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because I decided to maximize on the market.
Oh, you sold it.
And I'm kicking myself already for
Oh,
it.
I didn't even know you sold it. All right. Cool.
Yep.
Yeah, cool, man. Well,
Dude, love it. Love
awesome.
it.
A little bit of rubbing here and there, but not too bad. Oh, oh God.
Yeah, I was thinking there was going to be some of that today.
So maybe winter edition C8 Corvette shouldn't be lowered 2 inches?
Yeah. Didn't know if you thought that one out.
Yeah, it wasn't a well thought out plan.
That's the sound of progress.
Yeah, I'm clearing the street. This is a Saturday.
So this is cruising in a lowered wide-body C8.
Yeah. Canadian edition.
Everything they said it would be and more. How's it handling?
It's doing better than I thought. Actually, you know what I find? Like a lot of these mid-engine cars, if you put winter tires on them, they do pretty good. Like, I haven't been using traction control. It's been doing fine, right?
Yeah, no, you've been in control.
Yeah, no, that's never felt out of control anyway.
No, it's just these ruts. This is fine.
This isn't bad here.
But when you're scooping everything up,
When it's spraying all over the windshield, yeah.
but it's kind of fun.
So overall, it went pretty good, Nathan.
I think so.
Yeah, Jamie.
It's good. It's good.
Yeah,
It's cold.
A little bit of carnage there. I thought it was ice, but maybe it's under the PPF. I think it's under the PPF.
I think I heard that.
Did you guys see the snow spraying up over the head?
Yes.
It was like just pouring up here. And a little bit of snow there. This wheel is packed pretty good with some snow. That's our vibration right there, I guess. And overall, I think we should do it again. We should do it when we get a bit of snow, I think.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Grab a quick montage of it and we'll shut her down. Hey Jamie, so you saw Naweed out there, right?
I did, yeah.
So Naweed sent me a cool picture of my car going on the road.
Yeah.
That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I think overall the reactions we had from the car and what people thought of it as a winter car went over pretty well. And I don't know what you guys think. Let me know. We got some epic shots. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope to see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.